Good day, grade 8. The lesson today is about to find the volume of some shapes. Okay? Last lesson we was talking about the surface area. And today we will talk about what inside any solid. How to calculate the volume, which is the volume. And first shape we will study today is the cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? Actually, volume of anything is of any shape. Volume equals base area multiply height. Okay? Okay. So, if you can determine what is the base and what is the height, just multiply them. Find the area of the base and multiply it by the height, and you'll get the volume. Maybe in a cube is the shape of cube, like this. All sides or edges, as you know, is equal. If we call them E, all edges are equal. So volume equal base. If you consider this one is the base, it's the shape of square. So area of square equal edge times edge. Multiply height, and the height here represent the same edge. So it's multiply edge 2. So volume of cube edge times edge. Base area times height. And we refer to base area here B, and height H, and volume as a V. So V equal base area times height. By the way, we can put it in magic triangle like this, and we can say that volume equals base area multiply height. Here multiply and here divide. So V equal B times H. And if we want to find B and he give me volume and height, so it will be volume over height. And if you want the height equal volume over base area. Yes. This is how to calculate and move between rules. So you can save these 3 rules in the magic triangle only. Just save the magic triangle and you can find the 3 rules. Okay? Okay. Let's take some example to solve it together. Example number 1. He gave me this cylinder and asked me to find the volume. As I told you before, we have to decide what is the base and what is the area. Base is always, you'll find the base is 2 similar shapes. So I have a circle here and circle here. Connecting between them by height. We connect between them by height. So to know the base, you must find 2 similar shapes. And connecting between them between them with a straight line, which is the height. So the base here is the shape of circle, and the area of circle equal by r squared. Okay, this is the area of circle. And I told you before that volume equal base area times height. Height here equal, he gave it to me by 48. So it's supposed to be base area, which is by r to the power 2 multiply height. Height here is 48. So height represents 48. What about pi? Pi is a constant number we studied before. it's always take the value 3 fixed number 0.14 or 22 over 7, or leave it as it is. By when we use that or that or that, he will tell you inside the problem. He will give you, if I give you the problem, I will ask you use by equal 3.14 or use by equal 22 over 7 or find the answer in the terms of by. If I ask you find the answer in the terms of by, that means leave by as a symbol. Don't substitute with 22 over 7, no. 3.15, no. Just leave it as a symbol. By. Okay? Okay. This is by. What about r? R here represents the radius of the circle. But in the example here, Mr. Ahmed, he didn't give me he gave me the diameter, not the radius. The whole diameter. You know the diameter from any point on the circle to another point connecting between 2 points on the circle, but it must pass through the center. It's called diameter. And we know that R equal D divided 2. Diameter divided 2. And diameter equal double R. Same. Cross multiplication, you will find that D equal to R. So, to get R, we have to divide 24 by 2. So, R equal 24 divided 2, which is equal 12. So, R equal 12. Let's solve the problem now. Okay, so it's by, and by the way, in the example, he told me to use by 3.14. He already told me that. So after my calculation, I will, instead of pi, I will write what? 3.14. Yes. And instead of r, I will write 12 squared. Instead of h, I will write 48. Multiply them together, you will find this number. Okay? This is how you can calculate the volume of cylinder. Okay, sometimes he asked me the question by different way, so let's talk more example about it. The right one says that find the area of this one, but he already gave me the base area. Area of the base, this one, so this is the B. We don't have to find the radius, or he gave me the area directly. What is the volume? And H is here. Volume equal B multiply H, which is 78.5 multiply 11. So it will be the answer. Multiply them, and you will get the last answer. Okay? And don't forget, the unit of measuring volume is cubic inch or cubic centimeter, cubic feet. It depends on the dimension. Okay? Okay. Again, another question. He told me that the volume of juice is 300 millimeters. He gave me the volume, so V equals 300, which is equal to 3 cubic centimeter. 3 cubic centimeter. Okay? What is the radius of the can? He needs the radius, so he needs this part. If we consider the up is a circle and down is the same circle, we need the radius, which is this part. How to find it? Okay, this is what we will see. To find the radius, we will use the formula of volume. He already gave me the volume. Volume equal base area multiply height. So we can say that 300, which is a volume, equal by r squared 14. I can use by here by 3.14. Okay, so by, instead of by, I will write 3.14. So this part I need to explain it well. So 300 equal 3.14 multiply 14 multiply r squared. If you multiply these two numbers together, you will find it equal 43.96 r squared. Send this number to the next side by divided. So r to the power 2 equal 300 divided 343.96, which is equal at the end 6.82. By taking the square root to both sides to get r, so r equal approximately about 2.6 to the nearest tenth. So this is the radius. How to find the radius? So he didn't ask me for the volume, but he gave me the volume. So by using our formula, we can get the radius. Okay? Okay. Another example. How to find the height? Height, yes, the height. He gave me diameter of a shape like this, which is equal 0.9. So what is the radius? Yes, radius equal diameter divided 2, which is equal 9. 0.9 divided 2 equal 0.45. This is the radius. I have r now. What is the volume? He gave it to me, I think 15. No, we will have to read it. Safety parallels are used to on some highways to caution the car on impact of a city manager approves the purchase of 15 cubic meter of sand. We choose 15. We need to purchase 15 cubic meter of sand. How many barrels can fill it with the sand? So we need the number of barrels. Number of means divided. Divided what by what? Divided the volume by the volume of each one. So I need to find the volume of each one. Then divide the whole volume, divide the volume of one barrel. So to find V, we have to use the information. Height here equal, he gave me the height 1.2 meter. So after we substitute, we have V equal by, we will use by here, he said to me, use by 3.14. So instead of by, I will write 3.14 multiply. I get R equal 0.45 squared. Multiply H, which is 1.2. Multiply them together, you will find volume equal this number. 0.76302 and so on. What is the number of barrels? As I told you, number of means divided. Number of means divided. Volume, okay, whole of whole, which is the whole sand, over volume of small. Small here means 1 barrel. So it's 15 divided volume of 1 barrel, 0.76302, which is equal 19.7. So we need what? How many barrels to fill the sand? I think we need 19 or 20. It's enough to fill the whole 19 fill the 15 cubic meter of sand. We will fill it. We need 19 or 20 barrels. Okay? Okay, this is how to use the problems and how to solve the volume. Let's take another exercise one to solve it. So he can give you one like this, number 4. What is the volume of cylinder? Express your answer in terms of pi. Volume of cylinder, he gave me the base area equal 4 pi. And height, so this is B. And height equal 10. So volume equal base multiply height, which is equal 4 by multiply 10. He told me in behalf of y, in the terms of pi, so I will not substitute pi. I will write pi as a symbol. So 4 multiply 10 is 40. So it's 40 pi. Millimeter cubic. Okay? That's it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time. Bye.